Good day, everyone. My name is Alexandria Arguelles, and my workstation was assigned to the College of Nursing Department, where I had the flexibility to complete my tasks in various ways. My workstation consists of 4 offices, and the work environment is very flexible, allowing me to assist anyone who needs my help. My task duties has taught me to be flexible and multitask effectively. I was assigned to the office to monitor activities and exam for caregiver students. I also organized the portfolio of first and second year students, ensuring that they were arranged alphabetically for the copying and pinning, and their clinical requirements are also arranged. Additionally, I performed some tasks in the hallways, such as sweeping hallways, mopping floors, and arranging the chairs after classes. This is the work I did throughout my work education experience. I learned how to be flexible and handle multiple tasks at once. I realized that having a clear strategy is crucial in a workplace, as well as time management. Balancing tasks, studying, and hospital duties was exhausting, but I learned to manage my time wisely and set aside leisure activities to ensure my responsibilities were met. My work education experience was both enjoyable and rewarding. I had the opportunity to work with my friends and other professionals, such as my clinical instructors. Patience is essential in this type of work, and the strong communication skills helped me to make experience more enjoyable. One of the best part was catching up with friends while working, which helped strengthen our bond during the experience. The biggest challenge I faced was my managing time. Juggling hospital duties, academic requirements, and thesis work was overwhelming at times. Initially, I had difficulty finding the right balance, unsure of when to start tasks due to my many other responsibilities. Over time, I learned how to manage everything more effectively and prioritize my tasks. In the end, my work education taught me many valuable lessons that will stay with me throughout my career. I am thankful for all the experience, including the challenges, as they help me grow stronger and better understanding my skills, strengths, and areas for improvement.